The bike in a now, new fresh order sit at home apatago. There are some people benefiting na insecurity na nearby. That there are people benefiting from this insecurity na nearby. So look up a few weeks ago, challenge and the Maya Sehana Sime Peba Biafra comrade Potasiuki, let them abide to what the government says. Koda dinaka isina hana enupisi. Kita anuwa now. Hano zilo onwe ha na ebe hano ijele jekpolo battalion ndame nachi ya na Igbo. Kemgbe 2 days na akwa mgbodi ya. Kemgbe 2 days na akwa mgboda place. Kemgbe 2 days. So obodi na be zero. How certain, how sure the nanda Igbo, but actually the right people you kwesịrị. Yes, we accept the fact that insecurity may be nearby, but to be honest truth, ihendami bugolo Igbo na nearby and unconfirmed report ihamegolo na nearby is far beyond ihenda hana point ilaya kasina hame be hame. It is far beyond that because there's so many level of ten and name na nearby compared to ihendem dan name. I see this new act as unprovoked attack. It's very, very unprovoked. Na kitana sini jele must pay. Onyanka na aba, gentle na aba na video ina kwa dina na umagu confusion dizi. Abata ani buy Christmas, the through December everywhere the peaceful na ani buy. Everywhere the peaceful. Mana kedi ya boy he nka no now. Kidi ya boy this kind of thing. But anyway, in the video kono no new order and for new sit at home. Kawo new sit at home. Volume 2.0. Volume 2.0. Amorom na. These people, there's more investigation to this so because if government officials can benefit from Obubu and Ebunde Mada na Benue State, Gine bu sit at home and arrest na nearby that people are not benefiting from. Gine bu this one that they cannot benefit from. Okamaketa na ibido mali ihe na-eme rather than ihe ime tupu ya chọpụta na ihe na-eme Kodikwan.
Biafrans all over the continent, all lovers of freedom or supporters of freedom, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending your location. This is still your humble brother, aka Gentle the Yahoo. All Biafrans should get this in your memory. Please let us keep on pushing. Do not slumber. It is a word of encouragement. We are in the battlefield, and we really appreciate all Biafrans for your support and everything. And we are still appealing for you all to keep on supporting and keep on pushing. No one is big, no one is small. And I want to use this wonderful opportunity to address the entire world. This is the genocide war going on in Biafra land. This is how they have been moving around, killing innocent Biafrans. But thank God, we have been sleeping, and they thought that Biafra have collapsed. But I want to make it openly these days. We are freedom fighters. We are not a terrorist. And now, they have waked the hungry lion that is asleep in Biafra land. I want to make it clear for the hearer of all the enemies of Biafrans and more especially all these Igbo Muslims that are claiming that we are terrorists in our own hometown, so that they can be able to make way for their masters, for our enemies to enter into our land. Please, Biafrans, I want everyone to open his or her eyes to understand what is going on. And from this time henceforth, this is coming out directly from the office of my triple general down to the major generals in Biafra land. From Monday, this coming Monday, everywhere should be lock and key. Biafrans, I love the courage. I love you people's courage. Yes, it made officially by the Angel Makeup. But since we have seen that these people don't want peace in this land, every Monday sit at home should continue till Nnamdi Kanu comes out from detention. That is final. Let everyone hear it. Let it not be meant to know. Let it not be as if tomorrow you will rise up and say that you did not hear it. Let everyone hear it this time around. And for you, Udele, Berkshire, idiotic human being, Lady Ozunram, Irigono Ozugina, Okay Udika, Emase, those that do doesn't cap. Biafra is unbeatable. Biafra is unstoppable. No Biafra, no peace. No Biafra, no peace. Biafra is unstoppable. You see all those money you collected. You see all those money you collected just to sabotage your own homeland, your own mother's land. You must vomit the money to the enemies. To those that gave you the money, you must still vomit the money because you can't achieve the goal. You can't achieve your goal with your stupid ones that are backing you up. You think that you are wise. Why are you running now? You are making a noise all the time. Udele, why are you running? You see, for this life, nketa they make noise. But hear me and hear me out. Hear me and hear me out. Udele agwagom go kwa before. Udele your generation geriano ha. Udele. At least it don't happen now. If they play the show. Stupid human being. If from Madonna to Tarime and Bojere, I have crayfish, I have tomato. Rubbish human being. I don't have much to say. Biafrans, we are fighting for the good of everyone, and we must keep on fighting, and we must fight to the end. God bless you all. Thank you.
Tiyoko. Me pegas ya. Ti baba ko ne ke here for. Baba ko. Kadro tenka. Ah? Kadro tenka. Me be no se so ti ni. Bang. Dia me ni. Ti ni si. Awo. Me wa ma hu da bi. Follow go. TV oko. What ta ki chonga gas ya de ti go di oko fe. Ona re go di ara. Nda ba mi ta si ogu pin na. Udele bola igeri anya nge. Ka no ha ndo tu no igeri anya. Who say me no dey? Nde ya pata. Tini oko ni dape ya oko ha go di ni nkpa na nkpa abakara ka nke awozi. Tini oko. Happy. Oh, share ya. Ogeri anya ha. Millions of handara. Ndi iberibe. Mad people. Tini oko, we go oko everywhere kolene. Igwe butozo e ga ade. Igwe butozo mpa e ma ka ifunanya. Ihe niile ha gbara wure bịa here ha feel ha ga-ala. You can't go. Ala Biafra ga-erikọcha ụnọ niile, rie ego niile, ego ndị iberibe.